Hello friends! In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 amazing websites that will save you time and make your work super easy. Whether you need to edit PDFs, solve Excel formulas, or crack math problems, these tools do the job quickly, for free, and they're super easy to use. First tool, Sajda.com, the best free PDF editing tool. Sajda.com is a powerful online PDF editor that works directly from your browser. With this website, you can edit names and details in any PDF document, convert PDFs into Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or images compress PDF files up to 100 megabytes. Add your signature directly on the file, no software needed, just visit the site and start editing. Second tool, gptexcel.uk, AI-powered Excel formula generator. If you ever forget how to write Excel formulas, this tool is a lifesaver. Visit gptexcel.uk, describe what you want to do in English or even Hindi, and it will instantly generate the correct Excel formula for you. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone working with spreadsheets. Third tool, Mathway.com, solve any math problem. Instantly, Mathway.com is like having a personal math tutor in your pocket. Just type your math question, and in seconds, you'll get a step-by-step solution. Whether it's algebra, calculus, or statistics, this tool makes math simple and easy to learn. That's it for today. I hope you found these websites useful. If you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which tool you liked the most. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who need smart tools to make their work easier.